Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you guys affordable skincare products that you can use on your skin that will make you still look good. Okay, you don't have to go overboard with your skincare when you are just starting out skincare. Okay, you don't need to buy expensive things. You can get cheap things and you will still glow. Okay, the first thing you would like to own when you are just starting out with skincare, you would like to get this cute toilet bag. Okay, you need something like this to put your skincare products in. It's going to help you stay organized when you're just starting out with skincare. Okay, and I got this toilet bag for 1,250 naira. I don't know if you guys can see the price tag, so this is quite affordable. It is something that you should get when you're starting out with your skincare. Okay, and guys, this cute toilet bag actually came with a sponge. It came with a body sponge. It also came with a mirror, and then it came with a comb, and it came with a soap can, and I think it came with like a cup, maybe when you are trying to brush your teeth or something. So this is very, very nice. You can just take all this thing out and then put your skincare products inside your bag. It's going to help you to stay organized. Okay. The second thing you will need when you're just starting out with skincare is you're going to need exfoliating body scrubs and exfoliating face scrubs or chemical exfoliants. Okay, and I want to start out with one of the things that you need to own when you're just starting out with skincare, and this is exfoliating bath gloves. This exfoliating bath gloves is really nice. Like when you're using something like this, you don't even need to use a body scrub anymore. This exfoliating bath glove is really nice. It scrubs your body really well. This exfoliating bath gloves does more work than this sponge. We call this thing sponge. If you're in Nigeria, you know this is what we call sponge. This exfoliating glove does more work than this sponge. Okay, you need to get something like this. This is going to help you. Like if you don't want to like get body scrubs, you can definitely use this to scrub your body, and you can also use it to scrub your face. Okay, you would want to get the one that you will use for your face, and you also want to get the one that you use on your body. And I got this for only 700 naira, and it is quite expensive because this exfoliating bath glove came with a suction cup, but normally the one that they sell without a suction cup cost about 350 naira, so it is quite affordable. Okay, if you are really big on body scrubs, then you can get a body scrub like this. This is the body scrub I've been using this body scrub for like 2 months now, and it has not finished because I am using my exfoliating glove sometimes. Okay, I don't use this body scrub every single time. I use this body scrub like 2 times a week, and then I use my exfoliating gloves every single day, so it is helping me to cut down on cost. Okay, so if you want to get a body scrub, you should definitely get a body scrub if you want to, but if you don't want to get a body scrub, you can just use your exfoliating bath glove. And yeah, this body scrub costs only about 1,400 naira. It costs only 1,400 naira, so it is quite affordable. Most times you can use this one, other times you use your exfoliating glove and you're still going to glow. Okay, I also have this Coarse scrub. Okay, this is another kind of body scrub that you can definitely get, and this one is 1,200 naira. It is very affordable. Okay, if you cannot afford to get the one that is 1,400 naira, you can definitely get this one that is 1,200 naira. It is very nice, and it also does the job well by exfoliating your body. There are a lot of cheap facial scrubs in the market. They range from about 1,000 naira to 1,500 naira, depending on where you stay in Nigeria. Okay, but me, I do not use all those fancy exfoliating facial scrub. I use my sugar scrub. I blend my sugar again to reduce the grains, and then I add turmeric, I add palm kernel oil, sometimes I add sunflower oil because I will make this after every 2 weeks. Okay, so what is in here right now is sunflower oil and sugar, turmeric, and tea tree oil. That is what is inside this, and I use this once a week to exfoliate my face. And what I use other times is my exfoliating bath glove. I use this my exfoliating bath glove every single day to exfoliate my face. I just use it to like wash my face, and it is really saving me a lot of money. I do not need to go about buying a facial scrub because I do not need it. Okay, I just need this exfoliating bath glove, and I just need this one. This is what I use. So when you're starting out with skincare, you don't need to get all those expensive products. Okay, you don't need them. You don't need them. Trust me, you don't need them. Okay, if you're not really big on using physical scrubs like sugar scrubs, you can definitely use chemical exfoliants. And by chemical exfoliants, I mean cleansers that contain salicylic acid. Okay, so this is one of the toners. Okay, no, this is a toner. This toner contains salicylic acid, and anything that contains salicylic acid is going to help to exfoliate your face. So if you're not really big on using exfoliating bath gloves or sugar scrubs, you can definitely get a toner like this, or you can get Neutrogena 2-in-1 fight and fade toner. That is also a chemical exfoliant because it contains salicylic acid and it's going to help to exfoliate your face. Okay, yes, it is not like a physical scrub, but you can definitely use something that contains salicylic acid to exfoliate your face. Another thing you are going to need when you are starting out with skincare for the first time is face soaps. Okay, there are different kinds of face soap in the market, and I personally use Dudu Osun face soap. Okay, a lot of you guys, I've been seeing a lot of comments, some mean comments saying that there is no way I can be using Dudu Osun and I am this fair, and I'm like, really? Okay, so because I'm using Dudu Osun, I should not be black? I don't understand. So there is this misconception that when you are using Dudu Osun soap that you are going to be black. I keep telling people Dudu Osun is not going to make you dark. Like, I don't know why so many people are so scared of using Dudu Osun. Dudu Osun is going to make me dark. I've been using Dudu Osun for a very long time and I have remained the same. Okay, I've been seeing some nasty comments. Oh girl, you're lying, stop capping, there's no way you can be using Dudu Osun and you will still be this fair. I'm like, really? Okay, really? The fact that you use Dudu Osun and it is making you dark doesn't mean I should use it and I should be dark. Okay, Dudu Osun is not something that will make you dark. There's just this thing in our heads that whenever we are using a black soap, it's going to make us black, and that is not correct. A lot of people are scared of Dudu Osun, but you find out that they still go ahead and buy organic black soap. Okay, what is the difference between Dudu Osun and organic black soap? Okay, just tell me, what's the difference? The only difference is that those organic black soap, they add some kind of powders and some kind of things to it. Okay, but it's still the same base. It's still the same base they use. They still use black soap. They still use raw black soap. Okay, so if you are using an organic black soap and it's not making you dark, Dudu Osun is not going to make you dark. Okay, I personally use Dudu Osun, and Dudu Osun is nice on my skin. I use it on my face and I use it on my body. So if you are starting out with skincare, you need to use a face soap and a body soap. Okay, I use Dudu Osun. You don't have to use Dudu Osun. You can use any kind of soap that you have. I have some that I have written down for you guys that you guys can go and get that are affordable. Okay, Dudu Osun now in Nigeria is about 450 naira. Before it was 250 naira, but now it is 450 naira. There's another soap that you can get. You can also get the Dove Beauty Cream Bar. This soap is 400 naira. It is very affordable. You don't have to break the bank to get this soap. Okay, you can also get Cottage Fresh soap. I actually have Cottage Fresh soap with me. This is Cottage Fresh Alata Samina Pure Herbal soap. I've had this since January and it is empty, but this Cottage Fresh soap right now, it is 1,400 naira, and it is in a big size. Like, it is big size, and this is going to last you for about 3 months. If you know how to manage a lot, it's going to last you for 3 months. It is going to be enough for you to use on your face and for you to use on your body. It is 1,400 naira, and it is quite affordable. If you are starting out with skincare, you don't need to like go and buy one expensive soap that is about 10,000 naira because you want to start skincare. Okay, you don't need all those things. Okay, another thing that you can get is Nano Extra White. If you are a fair person, you should definitely try the Nano Extra White soap. It is very good, and I think this Nano Extra White soap is about 450 naira, so it is also very much affordable. You can also get the Asantee papaya and honey soap. This soap is about 600 naira. It is very nice. So when you're starting out with skincare, you can definitely try out these soaps I'm listing out for you guys. So when you're starting out with skincare, you just need cheap things, affordable things that you can use consistently. Okay, you don't have to go and buy a soap that is 10,000 naira and in the following month you won't be able to afford it. Okay, you have to start out with what you can afford, and as you earn more, then you can, you know, go higher. Okay, another thing you might need when you are starting out with skincare is a facial cream. You need a facial cream. There is no way you are going to be using your body cream on your face. If you have been doing it before, I'm going to tell you guys some really nice creams that you can use on your face that you don't actually have to spend a lot of money on. Okay, and personally, the face cream that I use Goji berry face cream. Okay, this is what I use on my face, and it has been really nice on my face. Okay, I also see some kind of comments where people say Goji berry, like you can't use Goji berry and be fair. Guys, like, I don't know where people get that misconception from. If you are using a facial cream and you're using a sunscreen, there is no way that you are going to get that car. And as long as you are like you are exfoliating, you are taking care of yourself, you are drinking water, your skin is going to show for it. Okay, so you don't have to listen to people that will tell you, oh, if you are going to use this thing, it's going to make you dark. No, your skin is not your skin, and your skin is not your skin. Okay, so this is the facial cream that I use. I use Goji berry face cream. You can also use Dr. Rashel Vitamin C cream. Dr. Rashel Vitamin C cream is very much affordable. I'm going to put a picture on the screen so that you all can see. This facial cream is 3,000 naira in some places, and then in some places it's 2,000 naira. And the Goji berry facial cream is 1,500 naira. I love it because it is very cheap. It is cheap and it does its work. I just need something that is moisturizing, and this thing is moisturizing my face, and it is really taking care of my skin. Okay, 1,500 naira, very cheap, affordable. That is why I love it. Another facial cream you can use is the Nivea Perfect and Radiant Even Tone Day Cream with SPF 15. This Nivea cream is 1,500 naira. It is affordable. Okay, it is not very cheap, but it is affordable. Another facial cream you can use is the Veet Gold facial cream. I used this facial cream when I was still in school. It was nice on my skin, like no jokes. It was really nice. The only downside to this cream is that it is very small, but it works wonders. So if you are starting out with skincare, you might also need to get facial serums. And I always tell people that want to start out with skincare to get vitamin C serum, because that is what is going to help your skin, especially when you have dark spots, especially when you are always going out into the sun. It is really going to help your skin. And the vitamin C serum I got yesterday, I got it for 1,450 naira, and this is the Rushun Vitamin C serum. I got it for 1,450 naira, so it is quite affordable. So if you are starting out with skincare and you are looking to get something that is affordable, you don't need to like go and start, you know, eyeing all those big brands. If you know you can afford them, then why not? But this video is specifically made for people that want to get affordable skincare products. This is 1,450 naira. It is a vitamin C serum, and it is very nice. There are other different kinds of vitamin C serum. You don't necessarily have to use Rushun. There is also the Papaya vitamin C serum. That one is 1,000 naira, and this is the pretty cowry vitamin C serum. This is 2,000 naira. So it just depends on your budget. But when you're getting a vitamin C serum, you don't need to go overboard. Like, you can just get a vitamin C serum that is between 1,000 naira to 1,500 naira, or at most 2,000 naira. Okay, so when you start earning more money, then you can go for a bigger brand and a better vitamin C serum. Okay, you would also need body creams. You would also need body creams or body oils, whatever one you would like to use. And the one I'm currently using right now is Lemon Fresh. Okay, the Lemon Fresh is almost finished, like it is still remaining small, and I'm just managing it, and I'm mixing it with my almond oil, and that is what I use on my body. Okay, and this Lemon Fresh costs 1,800 naira or 1,900 naira. So it is very affordable. Okay, if you don't like Lemon Fresh, you can get Nivea Natural Fairness, but you have to get the original of Nivea, because there are a lot of fake Nivea in the market. Okay, get the original Nivea and you would love it. And also get Dove body lotion. Dove body lotion is very nice, and Dove body lotion is 1,500 naira. the Nivea Natural Fairness is about 2,500 naira, so it is quite affordable. Okay, you can also get creams like the Purec Egyptian Secret Gold Lotion. I used this lotion in the past and it was really nice. When I bought this lotion initially, it was 3,550 naira, but right now it is 4,500 naira, so it has gone a little high. Okay, so if you can afford to get lotions that are 4,000 naira upward, then you can get this lotion, or you can get Skin Doctor, or you can go through my previous videos to look at the lotions that I have made reviews on, and you can get them. Okay, because they are also very good. Body oils are also really nice. The body oil I use on my body with my lemon fresh lotion is the Skin Doctor almond oil, and this Skin Doctor almond oil cost me 1,900 naira, so it is affordable. Okay, it is not so expensive, it is quite affordable. And when you are starting out with skincare, you would need a body moisturizer or a body oil. Do not go around working with a dry skin. It is not nice. Try and moisturize your skin, and whatever lotion that you can get that is good, that is affordable and is good, please don't go and buy Carebeau or all those bleaching lotions. No, there are a lot of cheap lotions in the markets that won't destroy your skin, but they actually moisturize your skin. So you can just get something that is affordable within your budget. Last thing you would need if you are starting out with skincare is your sunscreen. You would need a sunscreen. Like, you would need this. Like, this is going to help your skin a lot. It is not going to make everything that you have used to be in vain. Okay, this is what will actually help you in the long run. And I got this Gavia sunblock for 1,900 naira, or is it 1,500 naira? I think it's 1,900 naira that I got this Gavia sunblock. Okay, so it is quite affordable, but I love this sunblock because it is okay. It doesn't leave any white cast on my face. It protects my face from the sun, and it is affordable, and I love things that are affordable. So guys, I think we've come to the end of this video. If you did enjoy this video, please do well to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.